Hey guys, it's JD Shack. I got a question about my Ford. My guess is, I don't know if it's a lifter knock or if it's just the regular sound that it gets. I changed my oil 2 days ago. I noticed the sound. I don't know if I just never noticed it before. So it's got STP fuel injector cleaner in it right now. So that I'm cleaning the fuel injectors because I think they were going bad. Alright, y'all, let me know. Alrighty, and that's about it. Let me shut her off. I cleaned 3 spark plugs the other day with a wire brush. They had some grease around them, some oil. I couldn't reach the other 3 spark plugs. I don't know if that's bad. I'm buying STP oil treatment. I don't know why it has this. I mean, I didn't hear it when I first bought it, so I don't know if I'm getting screwed. So, if y'all please comment on this video, I would really appreciate it. That's about it. I'm adding power steering fluid. It's a little low, so I don't think that could be it. I mean, this is the power steering fluid. Never mind. That's another video. So, that's about it. Please let me know. It's got 1030 high mileage oil in it. It's got 113,000 miles. Talk to y'all later. Bye.